今次去咗呢個 studio 咧，就係其實一個學校嚟嘅。咁佢個學校咧勁大嘅，即係大陸嘅嘢就真係唔好講笑啦。咁其實嗰個地方咧都幾算幾新嘅，但係只不過佢哋係唔係咁中意用冷氣啦、空調，因為而家都係9月啫嘛，都係好熱㗎。咁我哋真係唔係咁好咯，我覺得個 hospitality 嗰方面。女士們、先生們，歡迎乘坐南昌客運大機場的候車室列車。女士們、先生們，請配合工作人員妥善安置行李，以防跌落。本次列車前列期間，車廂和廁所內均設有煙霧報警裝置，在列車任何部位吸煙將會引發列車緊急切落，危及列車安全。鐵路公安部門將依法對列車上吸煙人員罰款500元至2000元，並在180天內限時扣查乘車。女士們、先生們，列車前方到站鄱陽站。Ladies and gentlemen, the next stop is 鄱陽。呢一個我讀呢個就係一個好 beginners 嘅 level，係真係好 fundamental。咁就如果係以嗰樣嘢嚟計咧，你就真係可以值回票價，你真係學到好多嘢。但係咪好 complete 咧？就可能唔會啦。同埋嗰個，我諗我係第一次去喺大陸啦，唔中意講內地啦。咁喺嗰個學習啦，即係take 咗一個 class 咁樣，第一次啦。咁我就覺得佢哋嘅，我唔覺得有即係係咪因為嗰個老師嘅分別啦？我覺得佢哋嘅 mentality 都係咁嘅。咁就係有冇拎到一個即係得着係好多，佢真係堅嘅。但係就運作嗰方面就有少少我覺得可以 professional 啲啦。即係 compare 如果你話去喺外國嘅話，咁有好多嘢都即係爭啲 me too 㗎啦。我覺得啊，即係其他人可能冇乜去理會，但係就佢有冇去用好多時間，即係都有好多學生嘅。咁佢都講話呢個班會係女仔為主，咁都有男人同埋男仔嘅。咁係一個好 unisex 嘅一個課程啦，基本上。各位家長您好，請不要讓您孩子在車廂內奔跑打鬧、拍爬座椅、手扶門縫、觸碰鐵條以免發生意外傷害。列車車門有正台間存在縫隙，請攜帶兒童的旅客在停站期間看管好兒童，不要在車門處停留玩耍，避免發生危險。感謝您的配合。女仔中意多啲咯，我諗。女士們、先生們，為應進一步提升旅客在途服務體驗，鐵路部門在本次列車推出了鐵路暢行掃碼服務。您掃描座椅右扶手上的二維碼，可以查詢列車運行信息、暢享配音選購、補票升級等便捷服務。歡迎您的使用，期待您的寶貴意見。對於我嚟講咧，我就初時會覺得呢個係 more to the art situation，but 我諗 majority of them 佢哋係真係想去學做呢樣嘢，而想 produce 一個 tea set 嘅，即係佢哋嗰個 mindset of 嗰個 tea 係非常之緊要，因為佢都賣好貴啊嘛嗰度。咁俾我嚟講，我就 more in a generally speaking for the sake of like art。cultural exchange 即係一個非常之 eye-opening 嘅 cultural exchange for sure，because 有好多嘢我唔覺得係 appropriate 咯，to be honest，即係喺我嘅角度啦。咁我喺外國讀咗書都好耐啊。But at the same time，個先生係個老師係一個好 nice 嘅人嚟嘅，即係好 high energetic 咯。即係佢係一個 ceramist，佢亦都係一個 sculptor，佢係一個好 high energetic 嘅人。佢即係俾我諗我唔會 schedule 到一個課程係咁好 interactive 嘅 because at the end of the day 對即係最低即係最尾嗰一日啦，佢係完全用咗一個佢唔係淨係用個 kiln 嚟同你燒嘅，係兩個佢有其中一個係佢自己整，因為佢係一個 sculptor， 佢講過自己，咁佢就用嗰個真係佢做類似佢有個名我唔記得咗，英文我都唔記得咗，總之就係用一個炭燒嘅方式嚟燒啦。咁佢實想俾我哋睇到究竟個 difference 係乜嘢。咁有啲同學就用一個即係佢哋多數都係整杯啦，咁唔係製杯嘅，即係個 set any items within the set they make it like。嗰啲叫做咩啊？即係有一個杯咪擺啲水落去啊，吸住啊，掛杯啊，我唔知啊。咁我 kind of 知道啦，但係我唔係 very into tea yet。但係I'm pretty much sure that a lot of Chinese people, including 台灣人都會係非常之了解嗰啲 tea ceremony 啦。咁我以前都喺學校都識到啲台灣人嘅，佢哋都有略略睇過嘅。咁但係我覺得而家都會係多啲嘅。中間打風啊嘛，咁嗰幾日都有幾涼嘅，但係之後都真係好熱，咁係連冷氣都唔開就唔可以嘅，差唔多都差唔到。呢個嘢就做得唔係咁好啦。咁食嘢方面，佢即係喺個學校嚟有 canteen 嘅，咁就可以自己叫嘢食啦。我就冇喺嗰度住咯。個 environment 我諗我唔係咁想係因為我知道佢哋嘅 hospitality 可能唔係咁合乎我自己啦。咁如果我夜晚有啲咩需要，我諗我唔會get in touch 到咩人嘅。即係如果佢哋要瞓覺嘅，佢哋就會瞓覺，佢唔會係理你嘅。我相信佢哋係 it's not part of the deal， 即係佢有個廁所俾你啊，你有個洗衣機啊，有張床俾你，佢就唔會再 offer anything extra。即係喺佢哋嘅角度嚟講，呢個係好 basic 嘅嘢。This is what you get。仲有嘅就係咁，所以我就出咗出邊住嘅。咁呢一個課程7 days 啊嘛，咁其實我都差唔多用咗以美金嚟計啦，咁都要差唔多1500蚊，即係因為你計埋我食嘢啦，計埋火車費啦。呢一次其實我第2次去㗎啦，呢個勁得滯。咁之前係有搭過飛機去嘅，我想試下唔同嘅 experience。 我每次搭咧其實都係搭商務客位嘅。咁今次我翻嚟搭咗二等啦，咁就二等咧就比較嘈啦，好多人啦，好逼嘅。咁我搭過唔同嘅時間㗎啦。咁如果有小朋友咧就好驚訝啦，但係有大人咧佢哋都係一般嘅國內啲人啦。咁係咪一個好 pleasant 嘅 experience 我就唔覺得咯，所以我唔會再搭㗎啦。如果我要去嘅話，我諗我會搭飛機，因為搭business 嗰陣時咧，再對上一次佢係有一個 baby 喺度添啊。咁個 baby 咧好笑啊，我唔知佢個媽咪定 nanny 嚟嘅，因為咧佢淨係俾個 baby 坐一個人，我諗唔係話平啦，咁我諗係都係一張機票嘅價錢咁㗎。咁就唔使咁麻煩啦，即係出入嗰個機場啦。因為我覺得咧，如果你搭飛機咧，你係可能有需要搭巴士去 take 個飛機嘅，好多時都我覺得就我唔知啊。I don't have 100% answer for that。咁其實搭高鐵咧都幾直接啦。咁時間方面我又唔會話覺得，如果你翻香港嘅就都要經過 custom 位。但係如果喺裡面國內咁，I think it's better for some people。So yeah，咁我就覺得點解咁啊？同埋你唔好以為搭商務嗰啲人咧好有禮貌，佢哋都冇㗎。咁啊，除咗隻鞋啊，咁你見到你隻腳啊，或者聽電視啊，咁佢哋會聽電視，跟住即係睇手機啦。佢哋唔會用，即係總之係唔係一個好嘅 experience 咯，即係好唔係咁 civilized 咯，我覺得嚇。咁你就會覺得，即係如果我真係要 complain 嘅，咁我真係 complain 曬全場㗎啦。只不過我係有一個經驗咁，所以我就算啦咁樣啦。因為咁你都冇其他個選擇，你已經喺一個 business 嗰度啦。咁但係車上面嗰啲 train 嗰啲 attendants 咧，佢哋都好 nice 嘅。即係 for example，如果你係要啲咩，佢就會 cater 住你啦。咁就算譬如佢有啲 for example，你唔會去特登話隔離嗰個人啦。咁如果你需要同佢講話，不如細聲啲咁，你咪走出去出邊同嗰個人講咯，咁都 OK 嘅。咁但係most of the time我搭過好多次啦。我去過第二個城市我都搭過高鐵嘅，因為我想試下啊嘛。咁個唔係咯，即係唔係一般話你真係去搭飛機嘅 business 咁咯，即係冇嘅，佢哋冇呢個意識嘅。To be honest，因為太多次啦，more than 50% of time 係冇一個咁嘅意識，即係顧自己咯。Well, I want to say what I want to say because I didn't make things up and it is the truth。咁下一次會唔會去咧？咁我真係去完咁就走㗎啦。下一次想唔想留多一日？我諗我都唔會啦，因為嗰個城市實在太過，即係 as much as they want to build a big campus there or there are a lot of new museums or a lot of new buildings catered to commercial 啊或者 export 啊，佢哋嗰啲 mentality 係完全我開始接受唔到。Maybe actually 我去即係我 travel 咗 back and forth 都有 couple years 啦，但係就唔係 extensive time 去 stay 喺嗰度啦。咁我覺得就係真係除咗譬如你真係我要去買嘢啊或者手信啊嗰啲咁樣見下世面啊，咁啊即係你俾我喺嗰度住，我諗我係唔會啊。我個人認為去剔班咁，我諗都要去諗下先咯。即係我要係做出一個 mentally preparation sort of， 即係我會唔會係中意咧？我答到嘅就唔係100%咯。即係 it's not like you're going to Europe and yeah， 我記得咧我睇緊嗰啲風景嗰時啦，呢度啦係南昌，佢係真係有風景嘅。But that's pretty much it。同埋你睇到嗰啲嘢係同你電視睇啲嘢一樣，但去到咧係唔係話另外一回事，而係 what you see is what you get。It's unlike when you go to European country, you kind of got wow, it's much more from 一個 online video or a brochure or whatever。But 喺我去過嘅城市，我唔係去過好多地方啫嘛。But 俾我覺得係即係你 show 俾我睇嘅已經係 100% 係一個 max 咗啦。我去到咧係唔會有嗰個感覺㗎。So all in all, I feel like it is a underwhelming experience to me. So 係啦，就係咁。